Hello Phoenixes, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make another handmade doll. So for that, you have to take a bunch of straws and then a clear tape and then just stick them together in a bunch. And then just secure them in place with a clear tape again. Alright, so now as you can see, the tall part is for the neck and then this one is for the hands. Of course, you have to take the measurements and then use a clear tape and stick it over there as well. So now I'll take a white fabric bag and cut out the stripes, and then I'll just cover these straws so that I get a nice and smooth surface to work on. And then I'll just separate these two parts from the bottom equally, and then that will be the leg. Okay, so once it's done, this is what it looks like. Now I'll just put that same white fabric cloth on the hands as well and cover it. So after I'm done doing that, I'll take a small pieces of straws and then put it over here on the body parts where I want it to be a little thick. And then cover the fabric again. Once that is done, I'll take some cardboard cutouts for the palms and stick it over there. Then I'll start using acrylic paints and painting the whole body. Then again I'll take the same white fabric cloth bag and then I'll just make the t-shirt. Once that is done, I'll take some sketch pens and I'll just make some dots over here. Okay, so now as you can see, this is what it looks like. I'll just make the doll wear it. Now I'll take some blue fabric bag and I'll just take out the pieces from it. So I'll make a beautiful pant. It's basically a jumpsuit. And then I'll just make her wear it again and put the straps and go all the way to the back. So now the dungaree is ready. Now I'll make her wear some shoes, and after the shoes are done, I'll make her wear the doll head as well. This is made in one of my previous videos, so you can go and check that out. Now as you can see, the doll is quite movable and bendable. Now one thing is remaining is this plastic bottle ring, and after taking some buttons, I'll just put it over here and make the headphones for the doll and put some paints as well. So now I'll make her wear it, and ta-da guys, this is what my doll looks right now. It is super beautiful and made only out of straws. So guys, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.
Hard to find the answer when no one knows how it feels between disasters. It comes and goes. The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. We'll never know.